As a home baker, I do not get to work with other people. Before, I did not feel comfortable enough to do that, and right now I feel like I have so many opportunities, so I'm gonna have to think about where to go from now, not just opening a bakery. Hi, I'm Suzanne Sebah. I'm from batch pastry 107. I'm from Egypt. Being a housewife, I enjoy baking as a hobby, but then I thought I'd take it to the next level because I've advanced, I've taught myself to the point where I needed to learn how to become a professional, so I can take it to the next level and maybe have to start something for myself other than my house and my family. So this is why I came here, and it has been life-changing. I went to ICCA Dubai. It was an incredible experience. I've actually learned so much from it, how it is to be in a real kitchen. And I've met celebrity chefs, a chance that I couldn't have had if I'd been anywhere else. I've become more confident that I feel I can go anywhere I want, and I would like to really thank ICCA for this opportunity. It's been amazing. Thank you.